Namaskar. Today we are going to learn and practice Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is also called as Cobra pose. As the name says, the final posture looks like a serpent, the king cobra with the hood up. So we will do the simpler version first and then we will go into the final posture. For this pose, you need to lie down on your abdomen. So go on your yoga mat and then lie down on the belly. Keep your legs hip width apart, palms at the side of your chest and head down on the floor. Elbows pointing upwards towards the sky. Now gently lift your head up, chin up. With inhalation, try to lift your chest up. The navel will be touching the floor, shoulders will be dropping down, elbows close to the body. Keep breathing. This is the simple version for beginners. Once you do this pose, then you can push your palms up, open up your chest more and look up towards the sky, giving the maximum spinal bend. Keep breathing and hold the pose for at least 10 to 15 seconds. While coming down, gently bend your elbows and slowly drop the body down. And relax into the Makarasana position, which is crossing the arms and relaxing the legs outward. A few breaths, and this helps to relax the spine, as Bhujangasana is also one of the backward bending postures. This posture relieves you from all the back injuries and back pains. It is very good for strengthening and making your back supple. Also, if you have any kind of lower back pains which stimulates towards the lower body, getting into sciatica, this pose will help you. Now, people suffering from any kind of ulcer or hernia problem can avoid doing this posture. Also, for menstrual problems, any kind of gynecological problems, this posture is very beneficial. Also beneficial for people suffering from asthma and any kind of respiratory disorders. Practice this posture every day for at least 2 times and also remember to hold the posture. You can do the simpler version or the advanced version, but make sure that your shoulders are dropped down, chest is open wider, and you breathe throughout the practice. Don't hold your breath. Keep watching Ayush TV for better health, better lifestyle. Thank you. Namaskar.